Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to steam your food with the steam attachment on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. To steam the food with the steam attachment, you would need to, first I'll show you how to set it up on the screen, then I'll show you how to install the attachment, of course. You would need to go to Modes, then go to Steam. Now it'll automatically set the temperature, the speed, and the direction of mixing. You can only change the time right here. And for that, you'll need to put water in the mixing bowl and at a basic setting, you should set you should put at least 1 liter of water, and for every so for 20 minutes should be a liter of water. For every additional 10 minutes, add extra 150 milliliters of water for that. So, for example, for an hour, if you're going to cook for an hour, then you would add about 3 liters of water. So that, yeah, just somewhere around that. Now let me show you how to install the steam attachment. As you can see right here, I have the lid, and I would need to take it off first to install the steam dish. So let's twist it and remove it. Then put the steam dish on top. Now, there it is. You need to twist it on just like the lid. And I'm sorry I did a mistake with liters. For an hour it wouldn't be 3 liters. You don't need 3. For an hour it would be 1 liter plus about 1.5, I would say, 1.6 liters of water, about that. Now there's the tray and there's the lid. Now on the bottom part, you should put some harder ingredients, including harder pieces of meat, cut into thicker pieces. You could also put some harder vegetables there. Then on the tray, something softer that requires a bit less, lower temperature, because there will be lower temperature. Remember not to cover all of the holes, so the steam can evaporate higher, and then put the lid on top and start cooking. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.